Today we're back in the Aries Master Plan community looking in the Sorrow by Pulte homes. This is going to be the Saffron model. This plan is 2,385 square feet. It'll give you 4 or 5 bedrooms and have 2.5 or 3.5 bathrooms. It's a 2-story with the primary bedroom being downstairs. You do have an open floor plan, plenty of windows for natural light. Of course, the models have plenty of upgrades, but their designers also will help you choose the right style and upgrades for your budget and needs. The Aries Master Plan has just started, so it's got a long ways to go. There's going to be plenty of homes built. The downstairs primary is going to also have an ensuite with double sinks, a walk-in shower. There are options to add a tub. It's got a large walk-in closet. These are going to be starting at $489,990 at the moment. Of course, that's always subject to change. And this builder, like many other builders in town, if you pick one of their standing inventory homes that are quick move-in, they do have some special financing rates. At the moment, they are offering 4.99%. It's always subject to change, so always check with us before you go. Really large loft, which again could be an additional bedroom. Nice sized laundry room upstairs. There are options where you could add a cabinets and sink and the hall bath upstairs. The secondary bedrooms are a good size. This one has the optional ensuite bath. So if you're in the market, new home, resale home, give us a call. We're happy to help you find the right floor plan and model for your needs. We sell all over the valley as well as Boulder City and Pahrump. So you can always reach out to us at 702-480-9137, or you can always go to our website, lvhomesgroup.com. A lot of the builders are putting their quick move-in inventory on the MLS, so we do have them on our website. But if you're not finding what you need, just call us. We're going to help you find it, be with you from beginning to end, and answer any questions you might have.